What is up, guys? Tom again here from the state of Real, and I'm going to show you today how to test your starter or how to cycle your motor over from the engine bay. You don't need to turn your key, you don't need to pull your fuel pump fuse. Now, the reason that certain manuals and tech forums tell you got to pull the fuel pump relay or the fuel pump fuse rather, is because if you're just cycling your motor over and it's not starting up, like you pull all the spark plugs off, you're just going to be flooding that motor full of fuel, which is not good. You can wash out the cylinders and create damage to your cylinders. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you the easiest way, and anybody can do this, literally anybody can do this for very, very little money, like cents. And all you need is a piece of wire, okay? It's got to be like it really doesn't have to be that long, but it's got to be like 4 feet or 4 inches long, 4 feet. But all you're gonna do is you're gonna go and look at your engine bay. Now granted, I have a turbo Honda Prelude, and this is your motor right here. And then on this side is your transmission. Right by that mating surface is your starter, right here, this black thing with these 2 drums on it. Now I hand built the starter from 2 different car parts, a cord and a Prelude, so it might look a little bit different. But all you need to do is take this wire and connect it to the signal wire that goes to your starter, because this starter won't crank over unless it gets a signal from the starter relay, and there's power always sitting here until that switch gets switched. So all you do is you take your alligator clip or a piece of wire and you connect it to your signal wire, which is this little teeny tiny wire right here. So I'm going to connect my alligator clip on that side, and then underneath of this guy is your power. So all you do then is you jump that. So I'm going to take the other end, if I can find it, to my wire. Sorry for the camera. But I'm going to take this side and make sure you're not holding the piece of metal that you're going to be touching near the end of the wire. And all you do is you touch this piece of wire to the end of this bolt. Now it's going to spark, but don't be scared. And watch what happens. The car's cycling over. Look at that. I didn't even have to go and turn the key. And guess what? There's no fuel being injected into my engine at all. So that is the quickest, easiest way to cycle your motor over. So that's what I got for you guys. Don't be spending all that time pulling fuses, because chances are you'll forget to put them back in there and it'll create more problems later and you'll be thinking, what the heck did I do? But that's all I got for you guys. Hope this helps people out. All you need is a piece of wire. I'm out.